That feels too good. I hope you guys are hearing me because I'm in the bathroom and I'm hearing an echo. But anyways, before we get started, I want to talk about that board because I think you guys are seeing it. It's over here. Yeah, I'm using the back of my camera, so y'all know the trips. So when I first looked at this place, it was literally in renovation, fixing up. It was renovating, right? So I was told that a glass door would have been installed. Well, basically a glass enclosure. So when I came here the night before my date, I saw the glass enclosure, but there's a board here. So basically the measurements are off. So they didn't have enough glass to cover the entire area. So they had to like put just a little stalling here with the board until they get the rest of the glass. It's currently customizing, like I was told, to be cut. So as soon as that's sorted out, then here would be all glass to cover the entire shower area that's needed. Also, when I do shower, there's water coming in because it's not sealed yet because the glass door is not fully completed. So that's just the backstory for the setup board there. So ghetto.
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto! The ghetto!
But yeah, anyway, let's get into this. So we are gonna be going to Azan again. I feel like I want a Christmas tree. I did say I wasn't gonna get a Christmas tree because of my space in my living area. But after I finished packing out the boxes and stuff, I'm like, a little small tree can hold here. So we are gonna be heading to Asan to get our first Christmas tree. So that's what we're gonna do. Then we gotta hit the supermarket because when you move prior to you're gonna move, you're not going to be buying a lot of groceries, etc. So my fridge kind of empty, it's null. So that's what we're gonna do. So Christmas shopping, Christmas tree shopping, decorations, and supermarket. I did say I was gonna do vlogmas because I'm definitely not prepared, but we're not gonna be doing a vlogmas. But what I'm gonna absolutely try to do is to vlog everything and at least post something. Don't quote me 2 to 3 times per day or more. So we're gonna try. The year is ending. We want to end with a bang. We want to reach at least 3,000 subscribers. We can get there. My subscribers count is like moving like a snail, but we can get there. 3,000 by the ending of 2024. How does that sound? Anyways, let's go. We're all dressed. I'm actually wearing a Shein headband wig. I did do a short so y'all would see that. And yeah, we're just in a regular jeans top. Let's go. Plans. We're not going to the supermarket again because it's after 5 o'clock. Supermarket is going to take me like an hour, and then after that I'm just going to be in traffic. Currently I'm in traffic right now. I just don't want to deal with the after work late traffic. I can't. So I'm just gonna leave the supermarket for tomorrow, and the next thing I need to get tomorrow is a star. So Azans, I got a small tree. I think small tree, about 3 a small tree. I think it's like a 10-foot tree. So it's very cute for the space where I want to put it. I did get some nice decor, but I don't know, they were not all of them were given, kind of luxury vibe that I was looking for, I should say. But it wasn't bad. The only thing I didn't get, I do need some more decors. I didn't get the pepper light in
and also the star. They did have some cute star that I like, but it was too big for the tree that I have. The small stars that go, the other star that goes with my, you know, type of tree, the small one, it was just not giving. So I probably need to go to Fontana or Mega Mart tomorrow to see if I can get a nice star, and then a little bit more decor to just, you know, spruce up the tree a bit. So that's the plan for tomorrow. So I did stop at another place, Home and Things, and got some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys that when I get home. Luckily I stopped there because yeah, I've been wanting to go there, and I purchased something that I wanted. Next thing, what's on the agenda? But yeah, so in traffic heading home right now. I did like cook some food Monday, so I don't need to get any food on the road, so that's perfect. So we're gonna go home, show you guys, do a little haul with the, not the Christmas stuff, just with the 2 items that I purchased at Home and Things. And then tomorrow we gotta go on the road again. I've been going on the road from the weekend. I am extremely tired. I'm always having errands. The space is coming on very well, so super glad about that. The bedroom is not finished, the bathroom is not finished. I need to oh my god, I need to get a soap dispenser and all of that, because the current ones that I had at my house, the prior house, I threw those away. I'm not bringing those with me, so I do need to get that. I do need to make some purchases on Amazon. I need a towel rack, you know, those self-adhesive ones. That's in my cart from 5 days now. I'm gonna purchase. Hopefully the price not go back. I should have bought it so-called Black Friday. I'm actually just watching the price still. So when I reach home, I'm gonna check to see what the price is at. So I get those adhesive just for the towel and all of that. I need to get the soap dispenser, but I'm gonna purchase it here. I'm going to my wholesale, a haberdashery, and get it there. Yeah, but the place, yeah, I think that's it. I don't really need to do nothing much for the place. Oh, one of my friend asked one of my friends to like put up a mirror for me, so he's supposed to tell me when he can forward to do that. But yeah, other than that, everything is well. The kitchen is basically sorted out, slash the living area. The only other boxes left is like in the hallway that needs to go in the bathroom, and then the bedroom is left. I'm still contemplating if I need to mount my TV. My TV can be mounted in my bedroom, or I mount it in the kitchen area, the living area. And based on where my couch is, I'm gonna have to look all the way up based on where the TV has to be mounted. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the TV. I'm not sure, but for now the TV is in my bedroom on my dresser, so I think it can just stay like that until I figure out what I really want to do with the room. Also, I need to get a computer, a cute little desk for my workspace. It may not be a computer desk, but I can probably get like a nice vanity that works well with the space, that I can do my regular work and also my makeup too. So I do see the girlies on TikTok about the vanity, the $28 vanity, $30 vanity, blah blah blah. I'm gonna look at it, but I don't know if I want white. Based on my furniture, I don't think I want white. So I need to decide that. Anyways, we heading home. Catch you guys there, because we in this traffic right now.
Alright guys, so I'm back home, and I remember I told y'all I stopped at Home and Things today. So I basically got a mirror, a standing mirror, and the price was so affordable. I can't remember the sizing, but I think it's like 54 by something. I don't know if I can find the receipt, put up the sizing, I will. It was $13,000 plus tax, and they had a 7.5% discount. 7.5. I mean, if I had went probably Black Friday, then maybe the price would have been less or the same. I don't know, because it's actually my first time going there at Home and Things, which is weird because they said it was very nice. You know, the mirrors were good. The bathroom set, oh my god, I feel like I want to go back for the bathroom set. There was this bathroom mat. It was so soft, like I feel like I may even go back for it tomorrow. I forgot it, you know. I should have just taken it up when I saw it. So I bought this. Actually, it's both two sizes, two different sizes, and the same design. So this one, I'm thinking to put it by the kitchen area right here. Yeah, I could put it by the kitchen area where the sink is, but this one, because the stove and the sink is basically right beside each other, and this one as well. This is like the longer one. I really like the design of it, and it matches my couch, so that's why I got it. I was actually aiming for something with a little black, because I was thinking to buy just something to put up right here in black and white, but if I can find one in black, white and gray painting, that would be perfect. So I'm gonna check to see, you know what, let me try to see if this looks good here. This actually looks nice here, because this other one is a little bit too short. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this here. It almost fits the size of this. Okay guys, so I think this fits perfect. I just added it right here, and it's almost the same length as the sink area, so I think I'm gonna leave this here. Now the second one, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, and see it's not, oh my god, it totally fits the couch. Having this is so cute. Do they still put carpets by the fridge? I don't know, because my last place I did not have one there. I'm gonna test it to see how it looks though by the fridge area, but I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. I could probably find somewhere to put in my bedroom. It's way too short though. Let's see, let's try it out by the fridge area. Yes, I think I'm just gonna leave it here for now. Just gonna leave it here for now. Looks okay. When I open the fridge, at least I'll step on something a little bit soft. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna leave it here for now, and as we decorate and stuff like that, then I'll figure out where else to go, what else, you know, where to move it to. Yeah, but by this area, the counter area is fine. Yep, it's fine here. So knowing me, I'm gonna spray some Downy on these carpets that we just bought, but we're not gonna wash them, so we're just gonna spray a little on that. Just let it be fresh. The other thing that we bought at Home and Thing is this cool nice standing mirror. Oh, I love it. What do you guys think about it? The length is perfect. The width as well, it's not bad. They did have a larger one for 19, just call it $20,000 plus tax, plus, you know, the 7.5%. So I think it still worked out to 20 grand, but this one was pretty less. I was like, let's go with this because we have so much other stuff to do and we are watching our budget. So this is actually perfect. You know, probably in a couple months I can buy a larger one, but for now this will do. It's actually perfect. I'm definitely gonna leave it in, this is for the bedroom, not leaving it here into the stove right here, so you know that not gonna work. And over here I was thinking to put the small Christmas tree, But when we're ready to decorate, y'all will see that. And I need to definitely buy some cushions for the chair, you know, for the festivities for Christmas. But yeah, this is the final thing that we bought. Well, one of the final things that we bought for today. As it relates to the decoration, you always see that some other time. But we're gonna end this here for tonight. I'm actually just gonna shower, eat, Netflix, and chill until I get the rest of my stuff for tomorrow. So we will chat in the AM. Trying to catch the monkeys in the trees, but they keep running away. Right now at the end of the tunnel.